Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to make your Instagram account private. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. You can choose to make your Instagram account private very easily. Watch this full video to learn how to do this. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon, in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In the next screen that appears, select Privacy. Here at the top, you will find Private Account. By default it is disabled. Simply toggle that button. From the confirmation window, tap on Switch to Private. That's it. Your account is now private. To make your account public again, simply toggle the private account button back to white. From the confirmation window, tap on Switch to Public. So in this way, you can make your Instagram account private. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.